Okay, so I'll just show you how to pair your mobile with a Bluetooth audio system in this 2025 Hyundai Inster. We'll go to Bluetooth, see if it shows up to start off with. Nothing there, so now we'll go to Setup, Phone connection, Bluetooth system info, phone connection, no devices paired, add new, vehicle name Inster, search for the vehicle name on your mobile device, Inster, click on Inster, give me a number, pair, passkey it matches, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, that's it, added. It's as simple as that. So the next thing, how to play music. All we do, well, there's a couple of things we can do, to be fair, but if I go to music, you'll see at the bottom it's showing Insta there. So if I click on the bottom there, it gives me two choices, iPhone or Insta. If it's on iPhone, we just click it back onto Insta. Anything that plays on here now will play through the system if I set it up correctly. So to set it up correctly, all I need to do is go to media. So that's on Bluetooth audio already. Let me just see what happens if I click media again. There you go, Bluetooth audio. So there will be somewhere I should be able to change or go through the different things, media sources. So there you go, Bluetooth audio, USB music, USB video, or whatever. So there's nothing else plugged in, so it's just defaulting to Bluetooth audio. Now if I turn this up, where is the... Searching for some perfect world we know we'll know. So that's it, that's Bluetooth audio. We'll go to nav. There we go, nav. Search. Search, I don't know, PR54EA. OK. That's it. Set as destination. Start guidance. It was going to start anyway, but that's it. We're actually here on the forecourt, so it's as simple as that to set the new system up here. I'll try and hopefully, if I get time, I'll show you how to set the Apple CarPlay up, which is really easy. And also, I'll also point you to a little gadget that converts it to Bluetooth Apple CarPlay, so that as soon as you get in the car, you don't have to plug it in. It just works. So here we go. I will plug this in. Like so, let's see what happens. Apple CarPlay and related content, OK. This should, when I unlock it, there you go, allow, so that allows you to use it when the screen's locked. That's it. It's the best system ever. Absolutely the best system ever. You don't need to touch your phone or the steering wheel anymore now. Voice activation. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Although there's a go button there, it assumes if you've not corrected it, it will take you. Now the other thing is, you're on your way to Manchester Airport and you need to detour. No longer do you have to try and type something else in. It's the same thing. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks on Capitol Way in Preston. It adds 2 minutes to your route. Is that the one you want?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
I've already got Starbucks, but that's how you do it. 2 seconds. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Now I'm just going to pick my phone up. You don't need to pick your phone up, but call Barry mobile.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
There you go. User busy, but it's called me. So you don't have to, and of course somebody phones you, you just click this button and answers the phone. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
Just Motor Group have been kind enough to lend me this Hyundai Inster, and it's a fantastic car. I've really enjoyed driving it.
It says, Just Motor Group have been kind enough to lend me this Hyundai Inster, only it's a fantastic car. I've really enjoyed driving it. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
You'll see there a message has come up. Now you're driving along, you can't read your phone, you can't touch your phone, and it won't display on your screen anyway. But what you can do is read messages.
Barry said Just Motor Group have been kind enough to lend me this Hyundai Inster, only it's a fantastic car. I've really enjoyed driving it. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
Music. You want to listen to music. Not you want to listen to a certain track. You're not going into it and scrolling down while you're waiting for the traffic to stop in front of you or get in trouble. Play Glory by The Score.
Glory by The Score now playing.
You want all your records. Shuffle music, please.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
What else? There's just so much you can do with Apple Carplay. It's absolutely fantastic. Got all my audio books on here, and as I say, with the Linky Fun adapter, you can even watch Netflix. If you're sat there charging, watch TV. Don't watch it when you're driving, but you know, watch it. Watch it when you're sat waiting for your car to charge, by all means. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.